y'all gonna hear it loud. All right?
Yeah.
Keyshawn.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Say it loud.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What are the first 5 books of the Bible?
Genesis, Exodus, Numbers, Leviticus. Wait.
Slow down and say it again. Keyshawn.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Attention. Name me the first 5 books of the Bible.
Genesis, Exodus, Numbers, Leviticus, Deuteronomy.
Thank you. Xavier.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What is the book of Genesis called?
The beginning.
Wrong answer. Rihanna. Rihanna.
Ma'am, yes,
What is the book of Genesis called?
ma'am. Law.
Thank you. JJ.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Who created the heaven and earth?
God.
Thank you. Nene.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
And who was the first person on earth? Who did God create first? Who was the first man on earth? What was his name? Okay, I'm going to come back to you, okay? Jacoby.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Who was the first person on earth?
Adam.
Renee.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did God do to Adam?
Put him to sleep.
That's true.
And what else did he do after he put him to sleep?
The kids were about to make girl.
All right, yeah. Woo! Yes, good answer. He made a girl.
I knew she would answer. She didn't know nothing else. She knew that. Emil.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Stand attention. I didn't tell y'all at ease. I said attention. And what was the woman's name called?
Eve.
Thank you. Camille.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did God tell Adam and Eve not to do?
Not to eat of the tree of knowledge.
Keyshawn.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did the snake tell Eve?
That she would not die by eating the fruit of the tree of knowledge.
Xavier.
Yeah, ma'am, yes, ma'am.
And what did Eve do with the fruit?
Eve gave it to Adam.
And Renee.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did Adam and Eve do when God was looking for them?
Pine.
Thank you. Rihanna.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did Adam and Eve say when they answered God?
They were naked.
Thank you. JJ.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
And what did God ask Adam and Eve when they answered him?
Did you eat from the tree of knowledge?
Jacoby.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did God tell Eve that she would do from now on?
That will make their own clothes.
Camille.
Make their own clothes. And yes, ma'am.
That's not the answer. Xavier. What did God tell Eve that she would do from now on? Moving on. Rihanna.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
What did God tell Eve that she would do from now on?
Raise children. Baptize.
That's good. That's good enough. Okay, Xavier, I'm coming back to you. What did God tell Adam that he would do from now on? Keisha. shine. What did God tell Adam he would do from now on?
Sweat until it's
He would what?
sweat until it's brown.
Wrong.
That's
That's
happening.
half the answer. That's not the whole answer. Because
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
what did God tell Adam he would do from now on?
He will work till he sweat.
You sure do, don't you?
That's what we do. You really sweat.
We think that even in a short time, they learned this. And they were very good. They was excited about learning Genesis. And now we're going to sing our song.
Amen.
Come on, clap.